All right, YouTube, so back at it again with another OBS video. No Illum Duty content today, but we got my 95 F-350 with a crank, no start, so I'm thinking it's the IPR valve. Yep, that's the one.
What? What?
First thing you're gonna do is remove the fuel bowl, remove all the lines hooked up to it. Once you have all that, it's easy access down there. It's freezing cold out here, and sun is getting ready to set, so I gotta hurry up and get this thing done, and hopefully it'll crank up. So praying, fingers crossed, that this is the issue to the crank no start. So let's get it. All right, so the people that don't know what an IPR valve is, this thing right here. Whew. Got it. I was able to get the fuel bowl out, got the IPR valve out, so now I'm gonna clean all that fuel that's in there and get everything put back together. All right, so here's the old IPR valve, here's the new one. So this one is already taken apart, and this is the new one. So it's a $500 part, Motorcraft. So I'm gonna put it back in there and call it a day and see if it turns on. So crank no start, might be IPR valve. So I'm gonna be removing the CPS sensor out of here, which should be, where is it at? This one should crank no problem. All right, so we just teleported back to the blue dually now. So let's get this CPS sensor out and hopefully hope for the best, praying for the best, it'll start up. All right, so the blue truck didn't crank up, so now we're gonna go deliver it to Georgia Diesel Works up in Cleveland, Georgia. Hopefully he can get it back and running, and then we'll get started on the manual. So I'll also hit up my boy for any hot shot or towing. He has a CDL, he has the whole thing. Hit him up. I'll tag him here in this video.